What's up?
Okay.
You're hit. Okay. Where's that coming from? Did I drop one?
Just to say.
Straight ahead. Yeah.
Two guys this way.
Okay.
And
oh yeah, I see that guy.
They're in the tires and then they're in by the water house.
Okay.
They're small, big tires by the water house. Loading! Loading's off! Leaving the doors, push the doors outside! Hey, watch
Okay.
this way. So I saw someone moving here.
Where's the entrance?
Right here. Okay, so 2 or 3 that way, 2 or 3 in front of us, 1 up here now.
Did you? Nice. Nice shot.
The one by the tires that was walking out dead. The one by the bunker. I'm out of paint too.
Not a very safe spot.
Yeah, this bunker's not the best.
No, the line, but they can shoot in, no problem.
What? Caught up all the way.
The key thing on the boat,
Uh-oh.
but I didn't want to walk all the way back.
Yes! Thank you!
Too long. There's 2 other people back there.
I don't care, that was an awesome shot!
I know, but if you stay out long enough, they're gonna clobber you.
I don't care, he gave me the thumbs up. I'm so happy right now. I earned that. They're running to there. Oh, he's
They're
not.
coming out on the loading dock.
Did I get him?
Come on, dude.
Oh!
There's a ref.
He just called him out though.
Sorry, you scared the crap out of me.
In the back!
Oh, I think they're busy. Someone's in the
They
busy
are.
with them. There's a guy straight ahead of us. There he is. Pika, there he is.
In the warehouse window!
Warehouse window, the first one.
The one with the door blocking it! Do you see the window?
Yeah, is he in the truck?
Yeah, he's the doorway where it connects, right there.
I got no good info.
10 rounds. No, it's all good.
That should have kicked him.
That's a wrap. Whoa.
Got the engine on your elbow? That's
Okay. I got him. Good job.
The good?
Mm-hmm. I guess I got him.
How?
Oh, is there a mission here?
Huh?
Is there a mission here?
Yeah, we're holding the helicopter until 2:30, just defending the area.
Oh, okay.
Should we move?
We have no paint.
I forgot that. There's a guy.
That's the only reason why I'm not moving up.
There's a guy coming straight ahead.
There's a guy coming straight.
Straight ahead.
Maybe he's gonna surrender. That's the thing. I would love to push up, but I'm just defending this. Because even if they're all around us and we're still here, it counts. And he can run away. Okay.
I don't know, it might be in a little shelter right there close to the road. You want to try to flank? I'll suppress.
I have not too much paint.
Okay. Shield guy's moving back.
Okay, I see him. Yeah,
He's
right
going
there.
right. They could be bulking up over there.
I'm just here until that mission's over, just so you have the force.
Oh, moving back. I've been here the whole fucking time. It's gotta be 2:30.
I have not seen you.
Right.
We want this now, right? 2:30? We're supposed to hold the helicopter as a defend mission from 1:30 to 2:30. Pretty sure it's 2:30 now.
Can I get a time check?
I don't know which ref took the objective car.
What's that?
You just got that box fixed. Oh, that's good. Our red guy just ran. Yep, okay. Got it. I don't know who else is.
We've had it forever.
Are there any blue guys even left?
I think they're all.
I think they're
They
all
started
trying to
doing the
defend.
barbecue, so they're all out there.
We should make our way over there and try flanking them then.
Hey, you want to go refill? 'Cause this is my paint. We'll be back.